Hello everyone, welcome to our explanation of priority queues and fundamental data structures that adds a twist traditional queues. What is a priority queue? A priority queue is an abstract data type that maintains a set elements with associated priorities, unlike a regular queue where elements are processed in first in, first out. A priority queue processes elements based on their priorities elements with the higher priorities and the GQ and the process before this. How does it work? First is enqueue. Insert the elements into the priority queue. Second is dequeue. Remove our element from queue. Is the left and the high or less than? And the third is intentional implementation. Priority queues can be implemented using various data structures such as binary heap or balanced tree to effectively maintain the order of the elements. Okay, let's start to solve our problem. First problem is last stone width. You given an array of integer stones where stone I is the width of I stone. We're playing game with the stones. On each turn we chose the highest two stones and smash them together, and suppose the highest two stones have width x and y where x less than y. The result at me smash it. If x and y if equal we destroy it, and if they're not equal we must add to the array their subtract. Okay, firstly, what we can do, we can create priority queue p equal to new prior queue. In the natural of our simple priority queue, use the in ascending order, but we must use the descending order. We must get the first the highest elements. How we can do it? We can create lambda comparator. How create lambda comparator? That's all. It's mean the reverse order. And after we add our stones to our priority queue, to our and add to our queue. It's already sorted, and we create while loop true, and we create two integers a and b. A and b. A equal to our first highest element, it means p pole, and b equal to our second high. And if their subtract maybe okay, let's write like this. If their subtract a minus b not equal to 0, we must add our a minus b, their subtract. Okay, it's clear. And when we can break it, if our is not empty or empty, is empty, we can break and return 0. What we can do if it have only one element? Okay, I think it will be return error in this part, because if it's empty we can't pull, and there we must have this element not empty. If our PQ is not empty, we can add. If our first if it's empty is first element before we get the first element, it means our PQ is empty. It means we must return 0. Else we must return A. There we can return 0. Let's check, is it right? Yeah, 0. B minus A, where 1, 4. Iteration type is integer. Is empty. Is empty. Okay. It's accepted. Let's submit. It's accepted. Good memory, good time. Okay, I think it's clear. Let's solve our next example. K closest points are the given array points where points I equal to xi and yi. Responsive point on the x, while plain integer k returns the k closest points of the origin. The distance between the okay, we must find the k closest. We must return the k closest. Result equal to new k3 and or no, not 3. This will be k and there will be 2. And after create our priority queue. And the iteration type will be array, integer array of p and the new priority queue. Oh. We must sort them by their how they're closest to the origin. B. We create the lambda comparator. How we can solve this? What do you think? I think first we must create two variables for distance a and second variable distance b. We going to the comparison and we can write without root and our x2 equal to the 0 because it's closest by origin. We can write it like this: a0 multiply to a0 plus b0 multiply to b0 a1. It must be a1. And b0 multiply to b0 add to b1 b1. And if their distance, and we must return their in closest. Closest mean is the lowest distance to the origin. This is our priority queue. And we create the for each and we must add to the our priority queue. After we create while loop k minus minus less than 0. And we must we create there I int I equal to 0, and the result equal to people. Return result. Okay, there will be I plus 1. Run and check. In which cases we have our iterable type, object type is integer array. Same misclicks. We accept it. If we submit, it's accepted. We have good result. Okay, I think this will be clear. Thank you for attention. See you soon.